Hello everyone, welcome to Engineering Explained channel. In this session, I am going to take the hydraulic press working principle. As you know that hydraulic system is the one of the power transmission system where we are going to get the power amplification by using the hydraulic fluid and hydraulic system, and that is a very benefit for the most of the engineering applications. And for that, one of such application, the hydraulic press working, I am going to take. And what is the concept is there for working of the hydraulic press, and later onwards how that works in step by step I'm going to discuss. Later we'll see the animation of that working of the hydraulic press also. Kindly subscribe to the Engineering Explained channel. If you are already subscribed, kindly share and comment. Here we'll take the how the hydraulic press operates. Hydraulic press operates on Pascal's principle, who states that pressure applied to a confined fluid is transmitted equally in all directions. If we apply the pressure to the confined fluid, okay, which is in a confined, that is container, that will be transmit in all directions and that will be undiminished. That means that whatever the pressure is that applied, the equal will be transmitted later on also. That already we have discussed in the Pascal's principle. By applying a small force to a small piston, the system creates a pressure that is transmitted through oil to a larger piston, resulting in significantly magnified output force. If we apply the small force in a small piston, that will be transmits okay, through the oil in the system. And when the larger piston on that it operates, that force will be magnified. On that principle, it will be works. Key components of this hydraulic press are hydraulic fluid, that is also called as a working fluid. Usually, oil is used, which is used for the incompressibility of its property, what it is there. Okay, that liquid fluid is incompressible. Hydraulic oil is as it is a liquid, it is incompressible, and that is the property which is useful in the fluid power. Plunger, small piston, where the initial force is applied. Ram, there is a larger piston where the magnified force is exerted. Pump, that pump forces the fluid into the cylinder in the system. Cylinders, that contains the piston and hydraulic fluid. That means here the what the cylinders are there for the plunger, smaller piston and larger piston, what cylinders are there, those cylinders are used. Then step by step working principle of this hydraulic press is that first step is that force application. First we'll apply the force. A small initial force is applied to a plunger with a small cross sectional area. And second one, pressure generation. That force will generate the pressure. This force creates the high pressure in the hydraulic fluid within the confined system. Pressure transmission. According to Pascal's law, this pressure moves through the fluid to a larger cylinder ram without losing its intensity. Okay, undiminished, it will be transmit from a smaller piston to the larger piston. Then force multiplication. How that force multiplication will take place, we'll know here at this stage. We'll know that one. Okay, because of the pressure is constant. Here the pressure is there, it will be remains constant at the inlet and outlet. The pressure is given by the force per area. At the inlet at the smaller plunger, it will be F1 by A1. And at the larger, it will be F2 by A2. This ratio will be remains same. That will be remains constant. As force is increased, area also increase. Force is less, area is less. That is from this pressure equivalence equation, we can write larger force as F2 as the F1 multiplied with the A2 by A1. As A2 is a larger value, we are going to have the F2, there is a higher value than the F1. This how the force multiplication is taking place by using the area in the hydraulic system. A larger area A2 experiences a proportionally larger force F. Output. What output from that press? That is the ram moves, delivering a massive and consistent compressive force to the material. Here for the press, machine what it is there is a compressive force we are going to use. As the ram moves that one, there is a consistent compressive force will be applied on the material by the ram. This is what the step by step working principle. Then we'll see here once again. Okay, main cylinder ram how it will be delivers force, that will be delivers force to the workpiece. Plunger initiates the pressure transfer by pushing hydraulic fluid. Pipes and hoses also there, which will ensure secure fluid movement between the components, preventing leaks and ensuring safety. Hydraulic fluid reservoir, that is the storage of the hydraulic fluid, stores the supply and supplies the fluid to the support continuous operation. Control valves. There are usually three types of control valves we are going to use in all the hydraulic systems. Those are the flow control valve, direction control valve, and pressure control valve. All the three valves here also it is used. And here one small animation we can see here. Okay, here this is the ram which is used for the stamping purpose. Here you can see the one material which is there, which is stamp is to be produced, the plain material. After stamping, the excess material is removed. The workpiece, the finished workpiece is coming out from that one. Now once again we'll take that as a hydraulic press working with consideration of this cake. And here this is a smaller plunger on which the small force is applied on that one, okay, which is connected to a smaller piston having the smaller area. Then this force will be F1 we already what we have taken, and the area this one will be A1. Then this whatever the force is there, the force per area pressure will be transmitted through the fluid, and this pressure is the P1, that is F1 by A1 is equal to F2 by A2, and where the F2 force is acting here, the pressure is transmitted, F2 force will be acting here. As it is having the larger area, as it is having the larger area A2, then the pressure will be remain same F2 by A2. But F2 we need to calculate. There is a force what it is there, that already we have taken how the multiplication will taking place. That's why F2 equal to F1 multiplied by A2 into A2 by A1. Then F2 will be always higher. And this piston is connected to a ram. And ram is usually used for the compressive force in the press, and the workpiece is placed. And this is usually used for the that different the operations. That operation may be a stamping, embossing, or it may be a pressing. Okay, the whatever it may be, there any of the operation. That is a forging operation. The press what it is, a forging operation. Can for all the operations we can use all three operations. And here the one operation after this one, the first step is second step when the pressure will be applied. This workpiece is pressed. There is a force to a its thickness, smaller thickness, and it will be get widened. Okay, like this by using the press, we can carry out the operations like a forging, stamping, and embossing like that. And here the range will be varying from the few kg to the few in terms of the tons, about 20 to 40 tons in capacity also used to produce the different the workpieces. Okay, here the even the smaller kg of the forces for the stamping operation, embossing operation we can use, and few tons, that is a 20 to 40 tons of the capacity for the larger forging and the larger that is a some other operations. For that we are going to use this press, and it is one of the advantage of the hydraulic system which is used in the hydraulic press. And in most of the industrial manufacturing industries, this hydraulic press are common for the different operations. This is again the hydraulic press, depending upon the what the operation will be carried out. Based on that one, the supporting system are used, and this is the ram, okay, where it will be connected to a cylinder, and for that the control system, all these are will be there. Depending upon the what type of the work is to be carried out, the different the shapes and different there is a configuration of this hydraulic press are used. Thanks for watching. If you like, share, subscribe, and comment.